during the winter here in Michigan.
Meanwhile, we'll take a nice 72-hour dry spell that we just had, but it sounds like that's going away pretty soon as well.
Yeah, it is. About another 24 hours, we'll see some snow on the way, although we are running about 20 inches below normal for snowfall for this time of the year, so that's a good start. The question is, will that continue for the next couple of months? But in about another 24 to 36 hours, we've got snow coming in here. Not going to be a big snowfall, probably about 1 to 3 inches for most of us. If you're down further south and east of Grand Rapids over towards Battle Creek, Marshall, Ann Arbor, and Detroit, might be on the order of about 4, maybe 5 inches in those areas. Good evening, everybody. Quiet conditions out there right now on the tower cam shot in Grand Rapids. In our weather headlines, well, cooler temperatures this week. We were already only in about the 36 to 37 degree range today, down from 51 the day before. And I think we're going to be sitting around 30 now for the rest of the week. Snow arrives Wednesday night or tomorrow night in about another 24 hours. About 1 to 3 inches, it looks like, in most areas. I'll show you the map we drew up here momentarily. This looks like snow on the map, and indeed it is. It's a flake or flurry. Some of that may not even be making it to the ground. It's not impossible we catch a flake or a flurry, but I will tell you, went out on the dinner break and came back, and from Grand Rapids northward, we've got clear to partly cloudy skies. I think the clouds stay a little thicker across the last 2 tiers of our southern counties there, so we'll call it variably cloudy skies overnight. And with that northerly wind feeding in, and especially the clearing skies or the thinning cloud cover from Grand Rapids northward, we're going to see those temperatures drop. And in fact, we already have that right now. In Big Rapids, we're 21 degrees, 23 in Mount Pleasant, we're 28 in Grand Rapids, still hanging on to temperatures around the freezing mark along and south of I-94. These will be the warmest temperatures. If you're along and south of 94 and we never quite clear out, you'll see the temperatures stop in the mid, maybe the upper 20s there. Everybody else is going to fall into the low to mid 20s. We pull out to a wider perspective, and you can see the cool temperatures that are out here. We're in the teens, even below 0 right now in International Falls, Minnesota. That is not a wind chill. That is an actual air temperature. High temperatures today. Well, you can also see how the warmer air is getting pinched off to our south and east. We were 51 yesterday, 41 today, and in fact, the actual daytime high temperature for Grand Rapids was only 37. But look at the temperatures down here. Pittsburgh, 60, 60 in Indianapolis, and there's the battle zone right here. And these are where the cooler temperatures are in the cooler air. And that's going to continue to just come in here and reinforce that entire situation throughout the week. So we'll see temperatures generally the next few days here only around the 30-degree mark, which is where we should be for this time of the year. You can see what looks like a fair amount of precipitation down here. All that green is liquid precip. It's rain, and the frozen stuff is in pink and blue. There's not much of it for us right now. And in fact, there's almost none of it, but we're going to see another low pressure system form here and bring up another slug of moisture. And with the colder air that's in place, it's generally going to be snow for us in about another 24 hours from now. So as I said the last couple of days, we believe your Thursday morning commute will be impacted, and maybe even the Thursday evening commute as well. I think we'll pick up some sunshine to start tomorrow, but the clouds gradually thicken again. We'll have highs around 30 degrees. We'll have an east-northeast wind at about 7 to 14 miles per hour. This is at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Notice high pressure is going to be building into the state. That'll give us a start with some sunshine before these clouds thicken back up again. And here's all the snow down here. We're dry through the daytime hours tomorrow, but tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, we're going to see the snow begin to work up in here. This is Thursday at 6 a.m. I think it's going to be a little more widespread than this model shows. And then as we go through the day on Thursday, we've got snow coming into and through the area. This is 6 p.m. on Thursday. There goes the low pressure system. That's going to pull most of the snow out of here, but we still may see a few lingering snow showers as we go into the day on Friday. So here's what's coming. Accumulation-wise, we believe the heaviest down here in the southeast portion of the state and back to maybe around Battle Creek, Marshall, Coldwater, Branch County. There may be as much as maybe 3 to 5 inches there. Most of our Fox 17 viewing area picks up about 1 to 3 inches. And if you're north and west of Grand Rapids, you're probably only looking at about an inch or less. Certainly by February, Michigan winter standards, that's not a huge thing. But just keep in mind, it's an inconvenience. It's going to slow you down for the Thursday morning commute. 30 degrees tomorrow, 31 on Thursday, 30 on Friday with maybe some lingering light snow showers. Saturday looks dry, about 31 degrees there. Then we're in the mid to upper 30s for Sunday, Monday, and beyond. Maybe a few more light precipitation chances by that time with breezy conditions. Derek, Janice?